Alright, 2021 Ford F-150 STX 2.7 liter V8. Pop the hood. A little lever right under here, underneath the Ford logo. Pop that. Take the oil cap off. Throw that right there so you don't lose it. Drain bug or dipstick. And this is the cartridge filter for it. So, alright, gotta take that cartridge filter out. Then you want to go underneath with a 8mm on an impact gun right here. Now you want to take your oil pan, slide it underneath. This is gonna make a mess, so just be prepared for it. Move the tools out of the way. These little yellow things right here, these, you just crack them open, you turn them. If I can turn it on video I will, but if not, it's that yellow thing. Just gonna crack it open, turn it to the left. Alright, so you just want to take that filter, throw that thing back on there, close it up, and then clean it up with some brake clean. It's pretty simple. They just click right in. It's actually very simple. So there we go, that's in there. Just gotta make sure it's clicked in and over. Gotta make sure that O-ring's good, make sure that doesn't leak. So now that that oil's draining, we're gonna take that cartridge filter out. So spin this thing all the way off. Get a rag because it'll be messy. Get tools out of the way. And there we go. There's 3 different O-rings on there, 1, 2, and the last one's there at the bottom. So you want to take that cartridge filter out. It's gonna be dirty, so you want to match it up with your new one. But like I said, it's not that big of a deal. Change out the filter. It's pretty simple. But this is probably the most important part right here. Match up your filter and make sure that these O-rings are installed. Most important part of these O-rings right here. You're gonna need them, so don't lose them. I like to match up the filter, make sure that I have the right one, the right size. That looks about right. And I like to grab a pick, use a pick to grab these things off of here. These other ones, you can just use a knife to take them off. You just don't want to damage any of the plastic, but these slide right off pretty easy. So there's 1, and there's 2. 2 with Ford blue and 1 with Ford black. So that's what I learned. I'm gonna leave it like that. I'm gonna grab a pick and throw these new ones on here in a second. There we go. Open that up. Use these 2 ones. Don't lose that last one. Almost lost it, but like I said, clean it up. Definitely want to clean it up before you throw it back in there. So I'm just gonna hit it with some brake clean quick and then install those things.
What's in that thing?
Take 6. Liter engine, so it's V6, 2.7 liter twin turbo engine. Takes 6 quarts of oil. It's pretty easy to do. Like I said, there's 4 bolts on the underneath there. Take those off. The yellow drain pan bolt just twists right off. Just be careful. Can make a total mess out of your driveway or whatever. But anyways, we're putting 6 quarts back in it. We changed the filter. The filter's done. It's got 3 new O-rings on it. The filter for the bottom, or the O-ring on the bottom near the oil pan, that looked good, so I'm not replacing it, and I'm just going to run it. So I'm going to let this fill, and then I'm going to close it up. So thank you guys for watching this episode of Lone Wolf Lifestyle and Lone Wolf Automotive 4x4 Truck Repair. Anyways, in the next episode, basically we're doing this just to gear up to go out to Colorado tomorrow, so stoked about this one. Stick with it, stay tuned, we'll catch you guys soon. Peace.